Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Jangan lewat terus kita tadi.
Ini menyambung scene terakhir.
Jangan goyang Gun. Aku dia.
Saya dan kawan-kawan kru Tua Film Tamiang ini berada di atas sampan kecil. Ini kita mengambil footage video Bang Jack sama Wak Ame sedang mencari udang di sungai seputaran kampung Bandar Baru, Sungai Yu, Aceh Tamiang. Oke.
And we all know fear is a slogan, yeah. And we all feel broken, yeah. And we all outspoken. Need someone to just socialize our struggle in this place. Running in circles several days, never knowing the right way. Yeah. Sometimes I
Kayak gitu
struggle
aja tinggal dayung kayak gitu dayung Fatimah nih. Ya bang enak dayung.
Ini nggak mau dipakai kan?
I'ma make noise, yeah, that I don't doubt. I don't feel failure. And like Drake said, man, I'm upset. Too many people
Ya aku ngeri kali si Agus. Dia ngeng aku yang
feel like we've just all been going crazy. Too many people need to find themselves some safety. Just take control of your life.
nggak bisa.
Nobody else, myself can
Coba.
Sometimes I struggle in this place. Been in circles several days.
Aduh.
The right way.
Ada yang bisa juga.
Kenapa terbalik? Kenapa punggungnya yang ke sini? Jalan.
Make up di kamera nih. Jangan sampai harus depan-depan kayak gini. Baju kami ada seorang kalian ini merah kayak gini, jadi dapat dua kamera.
Several days, never knowing the right way.
Kenapa baru 2 menit bang? Perasaan dari tadi direkamnya. Itu
Sini ada buaya kan.
Kayak ini arahnya muka Fatimah aku sendiri.
Sabar, tenang. Maria nih Mbak Rasa dari dulu.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking
Apaan?
now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone.
Ready nyala nggak?
air tenang.
Oke.
Kampung.
In the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low,
Jangan sekali kirian.
gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. Cold outside.
Oh.
Oke, 1, 2, 3, ready.
I'm alone, I'm alright.
Gak dapat.
Let's go.
Udah bercakap
I wanna break down. Always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and die. Will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give
Jadilah
up,
kak angle
that
dari
was
sini.
the plan. So
Ya, kak Nipah ha.
I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
Tak ada payah. goyang sikit aja dia kalau di tengah. Kamu berdiri macam.
Dah, kami di pinggir nipah tu je, dah betul. Bawa kena tu.
Fatimah takut naik bot. Naik sampan kecil takut goyang-goyang. Naik sampan besar sampannya ganti papan. Syuting dalam air, atas air ni, atas bot. Mana ada dalam atas air? Bukan kita untik-untik atas air. Sabar bang, sabar.
Yang begini.
I can't lose, I'ma pass through if I have to. Teach them all like a classroom, If I want it, then I get it. Work hard, don't regret it. Yeah, I said it, Head down, I'm focused, you notice. They notice, show this, I'm blowing. Keep going, showing, I'm growing, flowing and coasting. I'm owning, work hard, play hard. Let the party start. Can't lose when I'm giving out bars. Can't lose when I'm giving out art. Shut up, confused, man, it's just the start. I will not fucking lose when it got to my dues. Never lost in the blues, and I'm not consumed. Never stop what I do, I'm the boss of the room. So it sucks, I can move to the top of my soul.
Dah, Pak. Dah? Dah mantap boleh ni?
Dah. Tekan je. Jangan ambil punya sampah padi di atas ni. Saya meralat bahasa Bang Rian yang menyatakan kita ini di tengah-tengah sungai, bahwasannya sungai di tengah-tengah kita. Bukan kita berada di tengah sungai, tapi sungai berada di tengah-tengah kita.
Adik Fatimah apa dia aku? Oh dia aja nih. Ni.
Mana guys?
Tanya, Bang Jack mana? Oh sana dah. Kamu lihat dia tu.
Masa kita bermodal kali ni. Banyak banyak bawa. Tidak banyak bawa. Cuba guncang sikit. Penting tu. Banyak. Ya udang mai kunci busi. Masak jala dapat besi. Buka. Buka. Okey Bang Jack. Dah boleh tabur kan? Sini dulu Bang Jack. Sini. Dekat kamera dulu sini. Biar manya Bang Jack lompat langsung Biar basah. Ingat ada waktu disiram sama Fatimah, biar manya.
Biar basah juga.
Mana puas basah disiram aja lompat ke diri.
Kelas di sini. Pertama disiram tidak puas. Dia lompat sendiri baru puas.
Okey, mantap. Totalitas. Mantap. Okey, itu tadi pengambilan videonya Bang Jack lompat di sungai. Tadi saya tanya untuk apa Bang Jack lompat di sungai, katanya biar kemarin yang disiram sama Fatimah tuh basahnya kurang enak katanya. Oke. Buat teman-teman tetap dukung terus Rumah Film Tamiang. Jangan lupa like, komen dan share, subscribe. Oke. jumpa di film selanjutnya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dah.
Nunggu bang.
Mana ngamuk alitin? Lompat nak orang sini. Mana ni bagi kat Fatimah ni?
Udah.
Udang main kunci busi.
Udah. Udah lo bang.
Mana Fatimah Din? Nak tanya sama Fatimah ni. Biar lebih jelas. Ni akhir di klarifikasi dulu. Saya sibuk dulu. Yang dibagi si Jack ni mana? Yang dibagi si Jack dalam plastik ni mana? Baut kan? Baut. Manjat nokoh. Baut katanya.
Late nights, long fights.